15년째 단단하 기술 그 돈 줘도 안 팔아.
Hello, check, check. Hello.
Ani.
Hello. Check, check. Check. Hello. Asom na mic ama later.
First row.
직업은 댄스 가수 베이비 15년째 단단하
Check, check.
내 나이 40 베이비 직업은 댄스 가수 베이비 15년째 단단하 기술보단 예
Check, check, check. Check, check.
내 나이 40 베이비 우리 엄마 귀한 자식 베이비 직업은 댄스 가수 베이비 15년째 단단하
Hello, hello. Check. Mr. Gaiselong, operator bam khang nang takahau na bam he. Mr. Gaiselong. Hello, good evening everyone. Máy mạc tin ní. Máy mạc tin ní. Okay, nói đến đi. Alright. Cả hậu giỏi bên đi ha, mà ta cắt anh yêu đúng lao với thầy. Cả hậu khang sụp bên đi thế, cũng là làm list asai season 2 tuang Tamenglong.Orange Got Talent khao screening khao ka zao lao lên select so lao nan sai perform so ni minun goi zan hai serial number wise khao ti kai bên đi kinh suy ning kinh lao poti khang giang hoi e ko mang khop mai sunati thai lao mai thu track khao so ni minun ka goi tai track the submit so lao poti khang giang hoi da mi tu nge. Name of the participants for tonight's Tamenglong.Orange Got Talent Season 2. Serial number 1, Benign Crew. Number 2, Gai Guang Long Liu Ria Mai. Number 3, Dima Liu Espan Mai. Number 4, RK Ting Sang Kua Liu Pan Mai. Number 5, Wainai Long Pan Mai. Number 6, Town Friendship. Number 7, Machun Thai Liu Gon Mai. Number 8, Kau CH Milan Gang Mai. 9, Kau Thai Ningam Gon Mai. 10, Kau Api Liu Pan Mai. 11, Kau Kick in Kij. Number 12, Kau Chui Disong. Number 13, Kau Milai Kuzuri. Milai Kujuri. Number 14, Ring Sanang Riamai. Number 15, RK Mathadi. Number 16, Kids United Club. Number 17, G Foreman. Number 18, Lan Sui Liu Pan Mai. Number 19, Guidin Liu Gang Mai. 20, Pindui Pan Mai. 21, Matthew Maling Mai. Number 22, Diu Gai Liu S Pan Mai. Number 23, Gai Bichung Pan Mai. I hope all the participants got a serial number. I will be repeating once more your serial number. Serial number 1 for tonight's Tamenglong.Orange Got Talent Season 2. Number 1, Benign Crew. Number 2, Gai Guang Long Liu Ria Mai. Number 3, Dima Liu S Pan Mai. Number 4, RK Ting Sang Kua Liu Pan Mai. Number 5, Huay Nai Long Pan Mai. Number 6, Town Friendship. Number 7, Machun Thai Liu Gon Mai. 8, CH Milan Gang Mai. Number 9, Thai Ningam Gon Mai. Number 10, Api Liu Pan Mai. Number 11, Kick in Kids. Number 12, Chui Disong. Number 13, Milai Kuzuri. Number 14, Ring Sanang Ria Mai. Number 15, RK Mathadi. Number 16, Kids United Club. Number 17, G Foreman. Number 18, Lan Sui Liu Pan Mai. Number 19, Guidin Liu Gang Mai. Number 20, Pindui Pan Mai. 21 Matthew Malink Mai, 22 Diu Gai Liu S Pan Mai, and 23 Gai Bichung Pan Mai. Kumdalana, asai Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2 tong participants goi na perform saloi lau kan tu thai rock show kane rock concert hai nai pani band azu hai gwang lau tang abame Railiam ka resurrection kanai ma ka rhythmic soul kathum ma ka eros padai ma ka the wishes pangum ka search and found kaniu ka goi na ron na rock concert hai nai pani sai aniu mai goi na things in dong khong kan kau Tamenglong's Got Talent tong participants nun goi kora kaniu dong talent azu tai zau lo kane tu thai minun goi ron na niu to entertain so da pani the to na mai goi na ka ti thai lau mi to nge ka loi na resurrection rhythmic soul arrows the wishes search and found hai goi hai guang tang lau na bam the ram kau kom le na mai Matthew na ron na kaniu goi na tong lu tai khanin sizing bang tong rock concert thai witness sun chap ma chul kho to na me goi na khati thai da mi to ngai Hello. Hello. Good evening, Anu Tuang. Season 2 Tamenglong's Got Talent tong program hai ka hau khang sul kho. Ka hau ni mi hu kau ti thai ka luai lau ni Facebook, YouTube, Tata Sky channel 1973 hai kau hai Tom TV. Rana live telecast hai suna bampani anu tu program tel takai na bami hai kading kau zau nu khang to na karam la na mi kau live telecast sai ti na bampani the ko me zang ra mai ka tu ina mi te ni browse la na zau lo nu e kan ni ka pang ka zang hang tan minun goi ko ni information tai ko ma nai na bampani the ko ma ani ra na mi kau dong le na zau mi ram the kan di goi na kau kan ni countries rigdai na kanai 42 countries plus kau Tata Sky 1973 ron na telecast so na ba me live tel pat na ba mi hai ko mi zang roi ani mi goi na san gai mi suna khani nai la mi suna ani bam khaw mi tong mung tai mi hai luan ron na pungu tang mai Orange Festival 2018 hai ngan sam ma ngai na bam lo kho khani tel tong talent show hai mi goi na zau sam lo kho zau sam ni mi hu khaw asai tong judges so law ni mi nun goi da I introduce law ni e kan you goi the stage ko ka ku law ma khe I wouldn't be inviting them in the stage, but I would like to read out the names of the panel of judges for tonight's Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2. Glory Kim, SDC, and she will be judging the criteria of presentation. Glory Kim, SDC, kamairana presentation hai Zalo puni participants nun ko goi khani arami goi na khoti thai lau mi tong e kamai ro na presentation hai sai tong kha zalo puni the kanai mi khau dolly kamai hai bassist tre eros band tong kom le na kamai na skill hai zalo puni kamai ro na skill ko judge lau puni kathum mi khau ro na bc vocals the wishes band kamai na originality kamang the creativity ko kamai na judge lau pani judges tong criteria ka goi hai presentation skill originality and creativity. Hai kau Glory Kim, Dolly, kane busy, kane ugan thomre na sai tuang. Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2 tong judge of panel sulau punithe to na me goi na ka ti thai lom tong e aram me ka goi na raminun goi khang bon hiu sri ne hiu lo kho. And this is a very important announcement for all the participants. A very important announcement for all the participants. You will be given 5 minutes maximum. Whoever exceeds the 5 minutes will be again have a minus point in your scoring. 5 minutes hai gai ngan mi khau ti pani mi hai tuan kan tu thai kan yu tong scoring khau minus hai kai tu pani tu na participants nun goi tong khau ti thai lau mi tong e ani ka hau kai khang su pani the ko ma rai liang mi tong number hai ka lo pui thai ko ma gwang ka gan tai lo lo ra pu tho to na jang hoi mi tong e. Hello. All the participants are going to be given 5-minute maximum, for which if they exceed that, then there will be a minus point for them. So I'd like to request all the judges to note that 5 minutes max, after which minus points will be there. And shall we start, Tamenglong? Are you ready for season 2 Tamenglong's Got Talent? Yes, sure. Serial number 1, the contestant number 1 for tonight's Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2 is Benign Crew. Shall we all give them a hand? And I invite them on the stage. The first contestant for Season 2 Tamenglong's Got Talent, Benign Crew, which will be followed by Gai Guang Long Liu Riak Mai.
Hello. Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2. Kahau kang rai leng mi khau Benign Crew. Nani we ba mi tai stage hai lo lang thai. Mathang khau samdan mom khang Demand Leo as pan mai samdan mo Gai Gong Long Leo ria mai samdan mo no. Nani we kang stage lo lang thai. Maximum 5 minutes.
Hello. Kagan sumala purio aniu hai kagan matakhat na khang de khani rock concert hai noi da pani kam exam from mi goin. Number 2. Serial number 2 for Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2. Gai Guang Long Liu Riak Mai on stage.
Hello. Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gaigwangluni Riatmai. I'm 11 years old, and the title of my song is She's Gone by Still Heart. out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find it so hard to go on. I really miss that girl I love. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you. I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, girl. Won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Baby, can you forgive me for all I've done to you? Baby, oh lady, oh lady, won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me for all I've done to you? Thank you.
Woo! Tamenglong, are you enjoying this? Yes, it is an outstanding performance from Ria Mai. And next, Miss Dima Liu Espan Mai on stage, which will be followed by Arketing Sangkwali Pan Mai. And next will be Wainai Long Pan Mai. Dima Liu Espan Mai on stage.
Đi mà liu S pan mai có mày là đôi cái này thay trong đó lão khang arke ting sang khó liu trong đó là một con nào
Hello, mic check check. A very good evening, everyone. Today I'll be singing "Someone Like You," and the name of my artist is Adele. Hello, my chichi. that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from a light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face and that you be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. You know how the time flies only. Yesterday was a time of our lives. We were born and raised in the summery haze, bound by the surprise of her glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face and that you be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes and memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Thank you.
Woo! Thank you, Ms. Dimaliu S. Panmai. She is the winner of the Voice Tamenglong also. And it was really a splendid performance. Now, I invite R.K. Sangkwaliu Panmai to please be on the stage, which will be followed by Huenailong Panmai. R.K. Sangkwaliu Panmai.
Hello, 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 hello. were clapping in the nosebleed. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder. Thunder. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Ting Sang Kwa Liu Pan Mai, for the marvelous performance. She is performing since very young. She has her albums, and she is a very good performer indeed. And next we have serial number 5, When I Long Pan Mai, which will be followed by Town Friendship. When I Long Pan Mai on stage.
Hello. When I long pan my lôi tăng đến thời Town Friendship trong đó là bằng con thao.
Hello, hello. I'm singing Sound of Silence. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a pigeon softly creeping left its seats while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked along narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, and that's the sound of silence. Talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and voices never share, and no one there disturb the sound. did you do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that are mighty too. Take my arms that are mighty with you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell, and they caught in a wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon God they made. And the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whisper in the sound of silence. Thank you. Don't go there.
Mấy gọi na bọn hiu suy na hiu lão kho có mà. Tamenglong hạ ram. Nông ai vong vãi đại. Kinh gọi đại. Hậu gọi đi nè. Đào suy mãi na đào lão giáo. Hậu gọi đại. Okay. And we have Town Friendship now on stage. That was when I Long Pan Mai. It was a sublime performance. Thank you so much. And now on stage, Town Friendship, which will be followed by Matun Thai Liu Gon Mai. Serial number 7, Matun Thai Liu Gon Mai. After which, CH Milan Gang Mai. Now, Town Friendship, serial number 6.
この人は一騎打ちでいこう。
Town Friendship, that was a breathtaking performance. I hope everyone is thrilled by your performances. And next we have Machun Thai Liu Gon Mai on stage, which will be followed by serial number 8, CH Milan Gang Mai, after which we will have a slight change and we'll give a time to serial number 1, Benign Crew, after Milan Gang Mai. Now, Machun Thai Liu Gon Mai. Machun Thai Liu Gon Mai khang kaganti lau the. Season 2 tong Tamenglong's Got Talent hai takai chui na takai na bame. Live telecast ni su na bame. Kanini mai Matthew na gwang la na zam na bame. Ani unanan hai pai na talented suwe. Kani gwai na ta ni groom su lau na bam khang platform ti lau na bam khang pai na. Kage nai din the to mai gwai na lung ning khau nai bong khong ai to na lum gai. Presenting you all Machun Thai Liu Gon Mai on stage.
Still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in this. Was young, dumb and broke, but we still got love to live. I'll be young, dumb and broke, young, dumb and broke, young, dumb and broke, young, dumb, broke high school kids. Yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da 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 da, young, dumb, broke high school kids. We have so much in common. We always make it. You always say I'm wrong. I breathe out, I'm sure. What's fine about it? Yeah, we just young, dumb and broke, but we still got love to give. I'll be young, dumb and broke, young, dumb and broke, young, dumb and broke, young, dumb, broke high school kids. Yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da 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 da, young, dumb, broke high school kids. Everything do it all in the game of love, love. Run into sin, do it all in the name of fun, fun. Wah-ha-ha, I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we just young, dumb and broke, but we still got love to give. I'll be young, dumb and broke, young, dumb and broke, young, dumb and broke, young, dumb, broke high school kids. Yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da 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 da, young, dumb, broke high school kids. Yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da 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 da, young, dumb, broke high school kids. Thank you.
Thank you, Machun Thai Liu Gon Mai. Your voice is really delightful and we really enjoy your performance. And next we have CH Milan Gang Mai on stage. After which, this is serial number 8, CH Milan Gang Mai. After which we will have a slight change. Serial number 1 will be given time. When a benign crew, please get ready. After which, serial number 9 will start. Serial number 8, CH Milan Gang Mai on stage.
Hello. The performs the name behind CH Million Gang Mai. Kamai hai Tamenglong tong theo po name tong pai na khang son chui kamai talented someno khathe mathang khao samda labang khono CH Million Gang Mai lo tang khen thai Venine Crew nani we samda ma khon tao.
Hello, chick. Hello, chick. Hello. I'm Milan CH Galway from Children Tamenglong, and I'll be singing Help Me Hold On by Travis Street. Baby, close that suitcase you've been packing. Just sit down and talk to me a while. I know you tried to tell me what was lacking, but I guess I must have missed it by a mile. Well, this time, girl, I swear to you, listen. Help me understand where I went wrong. It's hard to find myself in this position. I'm scared that I'll go crazy once you're gone. Help me hold on to what we had once our love was strong. You know it can't be again. You say it takes two to make a love last. You were right all along, so help me hold on. Oh yeah, you were right all along. So won't you help me hold on? Thank you.
Magnificent. Milan Gang Mai. It was really thrilled. Thank you so much. And now we have Benign Crew on stage, which is in serial number 1. To inform all the judges, this is in serial number 1, Benign Crew. After which, we will be given time for 9, serial number 9, Thai Ningam Gon Mai. The performs Launi Mirana, Benign Crew. Can you wait na tuang lam hay ani mig wait na giáo sắm lo kho mi tang kan thai thai ngam gon mai. 9 na bam en sui na kathum. Chui na kanai chui na kathum hay ta kai na bam pani mig wait na giáo sắm ma nai lon sắm ma bam kho tu na. Ti thai kan luai da mi tong the.
When the police in the back of black, each to the thing if you know you black. Put together next, heading back. If you black, you dead in that. Strange fruit hang from a tree, all the leaves is red in that. Do it right, like a doggy guy. Africa, I'm headed back. Niggas in the street, I'm on black. Kill it with the heat, back. Cut off his heat, do that. Orange is the new black.
Black on black, my thoughts so black on black, my skin is so black, I'm rocking that black on black.
Vinine Creed. Kan điều là chỉ hai con sợi con thế. Hậu gái với cái này Tamenglong. Okay. Mà thằng khẩu stage là lo đi khẩu. Tamenglong Gone on the stage. Tamenglong bấm bấm thấy stage là một thế. Chấm đàn là bấm khang appeal pan mai. Chấm đàn bấm con thốt. Now we have serial number 9, Tamenglong Gone.
Hello, hello, check.
Good evening, everybody, and my respective judges and people. Today I'm going to sing a song called Please Don't Go by Mike Posner, and it goes like this, and I hope you enjoy it. Hello, check. Let's run away from these lies back to yesterday. Say tonight, I feel the sun creeping up like tick-tock. I try to keep you in my head, but if not, we'll just keep running from tomorrow with our lips locked. Yeah, you got me begging, baby, please don't go. If I wake up tomorrow, would it still be here? I don't know. If you feel it when I do, if you leave, gonna find you. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't run away from my bed. We start another day. Stay instead. I feel the sun creeping up like tick-tock. I try to keep you in my head, but if not, we'll just keep running from tomorrow with our lips like, yeah, you got me begging, baby, please don't go. If I wake up tomorrow, would it still be here? I don't know. If you feel it without you, if you leave, gonna find you. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't run away from tomorrow. Well, I say running from tomorrow. Well, I say running from tomorrow. Well, I say running from tomorrow.
Baby, please don't.
Go. If I wake up tomorrow, would it still be here? I don't know. If you feel it without you, if you leave, gonna find. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't. Baby, please don't run away. Thank you.
Hello. Tamenglong Gone. It was very sublime. Thank you. Baby, please don't go. Mấy quay na, hậu gái na bấm gái đài. Bạn hiu suy mỏi lao rập rập khốt à. Ni, nu de ni. Yes. And next, serial number 10, Apiliu Pan Mai. Apiliu Panmay on stage, which will be followed by serial number 11. Contestant number 11, Kick in Kids. Apiliu Panmay, Korana Nimigoi na, King Samlo the Ko, Kakang stage, Kaganti Laute.
Hello, Chick. She's gone. She's gone out of my life. I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was so untrue. I can't live without her love. In my life, there's just an empty space. All my dreams are lost. I'm wasting away. Oh, forgive me, girl.
Sorry, it was a technical problem. We will give her the time again. May gawin na lumpom lau riko. Kahau koronati suan kay lau da panide. That was cancelled because of technical problem. She will be performing again now.
Hello.
Crowd kagawin na kani fans kagawin na lumpom lau may sulaw poryo. Kakang kaganti su inati lau da panide. Mi hai kabiak thang roi rap me technical biat thang roi na swai pitong de mi goi nang king sam lo da ko Ms. Apiliu Panmay. She is gone on stage.
can't live without her love. In my life, there's just an empty space. All my dreams are lost. I'm wasting away. Forgive me, she's gone out of my life. I was wrong. I'm so lost to go. I really need that girl, my love. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you. I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, thank you.
Whoa! You belong to our hearts. Appeal upon my. You took a breath away. That was a breathtaking performance. Thank you so much. And now we will have a dance from contestant number 11 in Kids, which will be followed by contestant number 12, Chui the Song. Now on stage, Kick in Kids. ที่ไทยกันรวยเราด้านนี้เอง www.youtube.com/studiodominance Tata Sky 1973 First Manipur Satellite Channel เขาหาย Live Telecast สุนับะเมแต่ไม่ให้ไม่กวยนะเขาที่ไทยเราด้านนี้เองแต่ปัดนะบะไม่อันนี้เรานะเฮานะบะไม่หายกันดีกวยนะเขาหายคันนี้ countries ริกใดนะกันในเขา Tata Sky 1973คันนี้ youtube.com/studiodominance live telecast ไอทีนะบะเมแต่ไม่กวยนะเขาที่ไทยกันรวยแล้วตัวไง presenting you all Kick and Kids on stage.
내 나이 40 baby 우리 엄마 귀한 자식 baby 직업은 댄스 가수 baby 15년째 단단하 oh yeah 기술보단 예술이 I love it 실력보단 매력이 I love it 품격보단 파격이 I love it 사치보단 가치가 좋아 I love it 자신을 love it 여러분도 love it 앞뒤 양옆 사람들 I love you so much 남 걱정의 점은 짜셨냐 네 시방밥은 짜셨냐 생선을 먹을 땐 가시 발라 먹어 수박을 먹을 때는 씨 발라 먹어 날 좋아하는 분들 내 사랑 먹어 욕하고 모욕하고 그랬다 카더라 카는 분들 모여 이건 안 먹어 I love it I love it I love it oh yeah I love it 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 만사가 다 오케이야 어절시고 엉해야 We like to party baby 가끔은 추억 party baby 그 추억은 수억짜리 baby 그 돈 줘도 안 팔아 oh yeah
Oh, Kick and Kids, you bounce us. Thank you so much for the performance. And next is serial number 12, Chui the Song, which will be followed by contestant number 13, Milai Guzuri. อันนี้ไม่ก้อยนะข้างแต่ให้ serial number 12 เขา Chui the Song. One karana 12 ไฟตะไกนะบะเม สุดใจฮักไม่ร้อนนะสุกายนะบะเม่ไม่กวยนั่งกิ้งกายเฮากายนะสาวนะบะเม่คันนี้นายเอ๋ไปนะนายนะบะเม่ไม่กวยนั่งสู้สินี่สาวกายนะสาวนะบะเม่ตัวมิตาลุมกายไม่เล็กกระสาวนะไม่กวยนะเขาสร้างหวยกันรวยแต่มีตัวไง presenting you all Chui this song on stage.
Hello. The song that I'm gonna perform is Jab Koi Baat by DJ Chachis.
Never let you go. I can think of places never been before you. Baby, take a chance and never ever know. I got money in my hand that I really like to blow. So I tell you, chillin' butterfly, you what they give it to. I know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to percent 3, 2, sir. हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ तुम अगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ तुम अगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा ढूंढे लो साथ मेरा ओ हमगामा If you was a boyfriend, never let you go. I can think of places never been before. Yo, baby, take a chance and never ever know. I got money in my hand that I really like to blow. So, are you chilling butterfly? You what are you gonna do? I know about me, but I know about you. Such a hell of a century. Two shot. Take it all.
Woo! Enjoy this song. It was really good. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ तुम अगर अंधेरे हो अंधेरों में न छोड़ना मेरे हाथ. Thank you so much for the song. And next we have contestant number 13 Milai Kuzuri on stage, which will be followed by Ringsanang Riamai. Milai Kuzuri on stage.
Hello.
Volunteers akhat announcing booth kau wang report selau pudi kang zang hoye. Volunteer akhat announcing booth kau ketomai na wang report selau pudi kang zang hoye.
Alright, Tamenglong. This is Milai Kuzuri again, once on the stage. I'm gonna sing Machine Gun Kelly's rap again. I mix your own track. Yeah, track. Yeah. This is Milai Kuzuri from Westside Tamenglong. If you can make some noise, yeah. Yeah, that's my homies. Now second I could use my face like back in his mind, just win it around like that, just mind just going in the fuck with license, get a wedding and rub it all by next. Like this is all think this prices, I just like made it wet like prices, marches a little bit some makers are almost like the mind is getting like the 7 in words, speaking is good, but also faces the listen, I'm gonna be singing along when I'm gonna to sleep, I'm in the blues by the hacker. Second verse, I came in, no flaps, small thing in my big mouth, so on there with this big size, so that's what this kid bought, I sense it and I makes it, coroner, I dance it, I tweet hoes that's like hoes that coupons go fancy, I'm pitbulls that act shit, they going into the next shit, then we gonna have a problem if I am not on the next shit, cause a wreck shit can tame me, I'm Eminem and I'm lazy, raining in this rap, seeing me and all my boy like agents, heck wrong with y'all, this is more when it's a top of this shit, it goes because every nigga but this is like hoes, keep up message and I got my digital swap from Tamenglong and I will be rapping out until I die, you either with me riding guess, cause you love me to put it myself in the sky, I'm just a boy in the hood like you was so soon to move that for me, and we're come to my house, you pull out the back fingers, and bitches is raw like a fool, all the issues on the side of the school, but all the issues in the center, oh man, all of the falling, and to the woods, I'm working my do like a hit with the super trap. So I'm like, back that, also sing with the dog that, also sing with the rock rap, stop coming with the drug that. Tart burst. Yo, why is it so quiet? Make some noise, y'all. That's it. I'm like, doctors call up to the news and reported them what we discovered. They said I'm the first of a species that they call a real rapper. Oh, and I'm sorry if you get a lot of hits and I'm a follows if you don't understand the other way I'm positive for using gonna be hollering and talking about Superman, living in metropolis. And if you follow us on me, I'm a tourism is out and give a fuck with all of me. I'm gonna get winning the field and knock on the bottle. People money, people get anybody. What the song? Heck yeah, with the feedback, he lives a minute in the body with the reback. Heck that with the key fast, we gonna let it be the one who don't move that. Give me a minute to hit them, try to focus like it's minutes. I'm a competition, I might do that like the tip of my name. The one he la la la, but the put you to never beat. What you release and I wanna know what got to sing in a couple of seconds. I wanna see the greedy shit, my lyrics, and when I'm in the face of the shit, I'm a cannibalism, it's me live. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, the Milai Kuzuri. Tunkute Milai Kuzuri. So chui han ngat sala kan thei. Tamenglong mai pang nai lo pho khong e tam lam ngai. Mathang khao a new stage khao lo de mai. Ring sanang ria mai on the stage. Ring sanang ria mai stage khao lo kon to. Solo ni all the contestant nani wai ka thuma na samda lam kon to. Ring sanang ria mai hai tang hi thai stage la de mai RK Mathadi samda lam kon on.
Hello, Tamenglong! How are you doing tonight?
Watch you smile while you were sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. Don't
That was Ring Sanang Riamai. Ring Sanang Riamai, Tun Kutei, Sun Tui Hakna Solakante, Matanko, New Lolatico, RK Matadid. Now we have serial number 15, RK Matadi, on the stage. Samdan Bamkang Matanko, Kids United Club. Samdan Bamkonto. Preparation Sunabam called the Taloniate, media, cameraman, anyway called stage, Kulama Pudikang, anyway the Zhanghui Niyai.
Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2 hai takai chui na takai na bame ani khang participants ka sa kai nai na bame kom le na nu gai mai khani hau gai mai talent na zu hai lia law na bam poni e ko me ke artist nun ko goi khani participants nun ko goi ko ti thai la we tu mi thu ka gan hai suma la puryo ka gan hai la chui na la puo to na jang hoi mi tu nge ko ma ni hai mi hai loi kai ka ne tu thai rock show concert hai nai pani kom de jang rai band azu hai gong tang lo na ba me kan ni goi kra ni ka dam hai lan sam da na bam pani e tu na ti thai ka loi lo da mi tong e presenting you all RK Mathadi on stage.
Thank you. Thon ku thai RK Mathadi. Katong guitar nruak chui hangan ruak la kan thai. Thon ku ai. Next we have Kids United Club. Kids United Club on the stage. Kids United Club hai Tamenglong khau ni pai na khang chui hak nga kan yo jan tan pang the. Ani way na stage la bu te khang ti lau thai. Ma thang khau samda na bam khang G formant samda lo khon thau. Thank you. That was Kids United Club. Thank you. They have taken the stage with their super talent, the moved. Next we have G Foreman. G Foreman on the stage. G Foreman. Samdana Bamkang. Next we have Lan Sui Liu Pan Mai. After G Foreman, next we have Lan Sui Liu Pan Mai. Titara the Gloinier, Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2, Tatkai Nabamthe, a Saitong contestant, Kagoina High, Sirelbert, Gone Sui Nakanai Donaye, a Saizimbang of first round Takai Donte, Hai Lung Kom Tuan, a second round, final Akani, second round Takai Puni, a Saitong contestant 22 Naimilong Kona, Gone Road High, final Kupune, Tuan High, final. Kan yêu khang ta kai da pni thai Now we have G Foreman on the stage.
One announcement.
Hello.
Check, check. Good evening, Tamenglong. Okay, today I'm going to sing a song called Not the Same, and this is my original. And I'm G Foreman from Tameng District. And his song goes like this. I swear I sat in yesterday, but girls and saying amazing. Smile of the killing, I just feel for a king. I wish I'd known by now. I wish I'd known by now. And now, if I saw you now, and would I know your name? I swear I'm not the same. And now, if I saw you now, and would I know your name? I swear I'm not the same. Wooden tables, vacant chair. I swear I sat in yesterday, but a million saying amazing. Smile of the killing, I just feel for a king. I wish I'd known by now. I wish I'd known by now. And now, if I saw you now, and would I know your name? I swear I'm not the same. And now, if I saw you now, and would I know your name? I swear I'm not the same. I'm not the same. I'm not the same. I'm not the same. Now would you door on me? I'm not I swear I'm not the same. And now, if I saw you now, would I know your name? I swear I'm not the same. Oh, I will not pull you out, I will not push you out, but I will leave you up. Oh, I will not pull you out, I will not push you out, but I will leave you up. Oh, I will not pull you out, I will not push you out, but I will leave you up. No, I will not pull you out, I will not push you out, but I will leave you up. And now, if I saw you now, and would I know your name? I swear I'm not the same. And now, if I saw you now, and would I know your name? I swear I'm not the same. And now, if I saw you now, and would I know your name? I swear I'm not the same. And now, if I saw you now, and would I know your name? I swear I'm not the same. I'm not the same. I'm not the same. I'm not the same. Thank you.
Thank you, G. Foreman. Next, we have Lan Suiliu Pan Bait. G. Foreman, katung perform to chui hangas la kante. Matang ko aniu, lalang diko Lan Suiliu Pan Bait. Tithai lo ni 8, Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2 tong hai. Loi gan tithai, asai zimbang hai niu khang hai. Rock contest nine bam me, band azu kam chamdan bam the, Tamenglong me way, and kon chamdan china chamdan bam ko. Now we have Lan Suiliu Pan Mai on the stage.
The band Resurrection representative, please report at the announcing booth.
I can't control the way I'm moving my hips. Bet you never ever seen it like this. I'm a monster on the floor, I can't win. Now it's automatic. It's automatic, I'm a runaway trip. And it's likely that I'll tear up this place. When I go hard, I'ma show you bizarre tonight. It's automatic. club down. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Shut the club down. Ring the bell. I can't control the way I'm moving my hips. Bet you never ever seen it like this. I'm a monster on the floor, I can't quit. Now it's automatic.
Wow. Lansili Panmai, you thrilled us. Thank you so much. Your moves was beautiful. And next we have contestant number 19, Guidiliu Gangmai on stage, which will be followed by contestant number 20, Pindui Panmai. Presenting you all to Tamenglong, this is Guidiliu Gangmai on stage.
Hello, Chick, hello. My name is Guidiliu Gangmai, and I'm going to present a song, I'll Never Love Again, by Lady Gaga. Wish I could have said goodbye. I would have said what I wanted to, maybe even cry for you. If I knew it would be the last time, I would have broke my heart in two, trying to save a part of you. Don't wanna feel another touch, don't wanna start another fire, don't wanna know another kiss, no other name falling on my lips. Don't wanna give my heart away to another stranger, or let another day begin when evil left us all lighting. No, I'll never love you again. I'll never love again. When we first met, I never thought that I would fall. I never thought that I found myself lying in your arms. And I want to pretend it's not true. Oh, baby, that you're gone. 'Cause my world keeps turning and turning and turning, and
again. I swear I can. I wish I could, but I just won't. I'll never love again. I'll never love again. Ooh. Thank you.
Thank you, Guidilu Gang Mai. That was marvelous. Takai Dilakho, contestant number 20, Pindui Pan Mai. After which will be followed by contestant number 21, Matthew Maling Mai. Presenting you all, Pindui Pan Mai on stage, contestant number 20.
Hi everyone, the name of my song is Grenade by Bruno Mars.
Easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should have known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. What were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash. You did. To give me all your love was all I ever asked. 'Cause what you don't understand is I get your grenade for you. Throw my head on the blade for you. You know I'd do anything for you. A bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. No, no, no. Black and blue. Beat me till I'm numb. Tell the devil I say, hey, when you get back to where you're from. Mad woman, bad woman, that's just how you live. Oh, you smile in my face and rip the brakes on my car. Give you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, yes you did. To give me all your love was all I ever asked. 'Cause what you don't understand is I got your grenade for ya. Throw my hand on the blade for ya. I'd do anything for ya. You know I'd do anything for ya. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. If my body was on fire, ooh, you watch me burn down in flame. You said you love me, you're a liar, 'cause you never, ever, ever did, baby. But darling, I still catch a grenade for ya. Throw my hand on the blade for ya. You know I'd do anything for ya. You know I'd do anything for ya. I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. Thank you all.
Thank you, Pindui Panmai, for the wonderful performance. And next we have contestant number 21, Matthew Malingmai, which will be followed by contestant number 22, Diugai Liwas Panmai, after which the last contestant for tonight's Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2 is Gai Bichung Panmai. Presenting you all contestant number 21, Matthew Malingmai, on stage.
Đi thời là tôi nghĩ Tamenglong's Got Talent asai hay gan chui này cái này rồi nè perform số mấyให้ลงเขาให้ result สอบมันลงเขาเลยกันในไทยทวน final ตะไกตะคังที่ผ่านแล้วปนเอง contest นึงไว้สัปดาห์มันคนเอา
Hello, check. Hello, check.
lâu thế ở toàn lúc mình ca quay ta một bọn nắng ta hầu lâu na ở lúc ca lại gót nghe giấc mây nắng ta đến tàu na ở lúc không thì bao rồi nó qua sự đàn mà khe Ocean may chẳng chú ta chắc mà khe aku ta bằng tu cho ai rồi rất mây lên ฉันไม่เหนื่อย Thank you.
Wow! That is Matthew Malingmai. Thank you for reminding us. Our hearts cry, our hearts missed. We pay our heartiest respect to one of the legend, the one and only Guru Ziangam. May go na ning tao na bang khonge to na ninge. Kamla na mathang takay dako. Contestant number 22, Diugai Liu Espan Mai, which will be followed by the last contestant, 23, Gai Bichung Pan Mai. Here is Diugai Liu Espan Mai on stage.
You raise me up. When I am down and know my soul so weary, when troubles comes and my heart burdened be, then I am still and with you in the silence until you come and see the wall with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountain. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger. Its restless heart beats so imperfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountain. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can.
Thank you.
Wow. Diwali US Panmay, so sweet, delightful performance. And up next is the last contestant for tonight's Tamenglong's Got Talent Season 2, Gai Bitung Panmay, after which we will continue with the rock concert for tonight, along with the band Resurrection at first, after which will be followed by Rhythmic Soul, Arrows, The Wishes, Search and Found. And I would like to inform to every participant that you did well, and then 10 will be selected out of 23 tonight for tomorrow's final performances again. And I request all the band members to sit at the left side of the stage. All the band members are to be there at the left side of the stage, to take the seat at the left side of the stage. Presenting you all, Gai Bitung Panmay.
ให้ตะแมงลง Got Talent ฮัลโหลกันที่ไทยมาทั้งเขานานบอมเท Rock Contest อันนี้ขังตัดไก่เป็นที่ Rock Concert ตัดไก่ปนี้แบนนั้นปังซัมดานบอมเมดกันนี้กูให้ดูนะ Stage left side เขาแบนนั้นปังตัวจำดานแล้วปฏิขังที่ไทยตรงนี้ไรนะ